Hi kids! Welcome back to Mommy Chi Vlogs. In this video, you're going to learn another consonant sound. But before we proceed to our lesson, do you know the song Five Little Ducks? Can we sing it? Five little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mama duck said, "Quack, quack, quack," but only four little ducks came back. Four little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mama duck said, "Quack, quack, quack," but only three little ducks came back. Three little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mama duck said, "Quack, quack, quack," but only two little ducks came back. Two little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mama duck said, "Quack, quack, quack," but only one little duck came back. One little duck went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mama duck said, "Quack, quack, quack," but there's no little duck came back. That's the Five Little Ducks song. In the word duck, duck. Will you say it? Duck, duck. What sound you hear at the beginning? It is d, d, d. The sound is represented by letter D. Letter D. And letter D sound is D, D. Will you say it again? D, D. As in duck. Let's learn more things or words that begin with D sound. D, D. I'm going to show you more pictures and you're going to tell me what is it. Ready? What is it? It is a drum. A drum. Drum. Will you say the word? Drum. Does it also begins with D sound? Yes. Drum also begins with D, D, as in drum. Another one. What is it? It is a dolphin. Dolphin. Dolphin also begins with D sound. D, D. Dolphin. How about this one? What is it? It is a dog. Dog. What sound do you hear at the beginning? It is D, D, D. Dog. Another one. What is it? It is a door. Door. Will you say it? Door. Door. Door also begins with D sound. D, D. Door. How about this one? What is it? It is a doctor. Doctor. Does it also begins with D sound? Yes. Doctor also begins with D, D. Doctor. This one. What is it? It is a dinosaur. Dinosaur. It also begins with D sound. D, D. Dinosaur. Another one. What is it? It is a dress. Dress. What sound you hear at the beginning? It is D. D. Dress. And this one, what is it? It is a donut. Donut. Will you say it? Donut. Donut also begins with D sound. D. D. Donut. Duck. Dolphin. Dog. Dinosaur. Doctor. Dress. And donut. All this begin with D sound. D. D. And D sound is represented by letter D. Letter D. 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 I'm going to teach you now the hand motion for D sound. Ready? We are going to sing the letter sound song and we're gonna do hand motion. This time, pretend that you're playing a drum. Do you know the letter sound? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you know the letter sound? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. D, 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 d. D as in drum. That's for now. Hope you like this video and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.